right, first of all, I have to say a big thank you for checking this event out, seeing the new products. As soon as these came, I couldn't wait to get working with them in my kitchen. So let's go check them out. All right, now these two things I'm so excited about. This is our fluted pan and our mini fluted pan. They've both got this gorgeous teal color. Listen, if it doesn't match your kitchen, it doesn't matter because these things bake so awesome, you're not gonna give a hoot. They both flipped right out. They had this beautiful shine to them, like unreal. I've never seen anything like it in my. These two have to be added to your collection. They're gorgeous, they're versatile, they're awesome. Next thing that I want to talk about is one of my personal favorite collections that we actually just redesigned, and that's our cutlery, okay? It's still German forged steel. It's still full tang from tip to toe, so your knife's not gonna break, all right? But now it's just sharper, and it's gonna stay sharper longer. This is the 8-inch chef's knife. You see that little mark right there? That's actually a grip guide. This is actually to help you hold the knife correctly. It feels nice, it's perfectly balanced, and they did a really phenomenal job restyling this. Still has your lifetime guarantee, still a hand wash. One of the things that I couldn't believe we didn't have actually for a while is a rolling pin. And check this out, okay? This is made of marble. It is gorgeous. My favorite part about this is it has almost like a glitter in the marble. It's beautiful. Super heavy duty. This is gonna be the best wedding present that you can give. This is our new cookie roller, okay? It's got 3 shapes. I've got the heart one on it right now. There's like a fluted edge and then just your typical round cookie. Take it and roll it through your dough. And when you get done, you have your perfect cookie. How cool is that, right?
Last, I want to share our 3 power tool collections. First up is our stoneware collection. This is our most classic collection and comes in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, so there's something for everyone. Stoneware effortlessly bakes your goodies with the perfect light and crispy results, while meat stays tender and juicy. One of our most popular pieces is this gorgeous gray deep covered baker. You can microwave pork tenderloin in 10 minutes or a whole chicken in 30, just like this. And there are a lot of one-pot meals you can make in 29 minutes or less. It's great for the oven and perfect for family favorite casseroles. It's so good, we call it the magic pot. The second power tool collection we have is our executive nonstick cookware. Everyone wants durable, high-quality cookware that performs day in and day out, and our cookware will do that and more. This family skillet is a must in my personal kitchen. I love being able to make skillet dinners that are cooked with minimal fats and oils, and my husband especially loves that there's only one pan to wash. This double burner grill pan is extremely popular for its versatility. Enjoy the flavor and texture benefits of grilling with the convenience of being inside. Best of all, this and the entire collection is oven safe. Meet the Rock Crock collection. These pieces are all about versatility. Use any heat source you'd like, stovetop, oven, broiler, microwave, or grill, any utensils, metal, nylon, or wood, toss it in the dishwasher to clean up, and now you can even put it in the slow cooker stand, which turns it into a crock pot. Simply powerful. You can get all these power tools for half off when you host a party.
I hope that you get some of these products in your kitchen because they are amazing. I think you're really going to be impressed with the quality and what you can do with them. All right, let's head on back to the event page. I'm going to share tonight's sales and specials.